Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4 science lesson number 10 force, work and energy. In this topic we are going to discuss about these three things. What is meant by force, work and energy. Okay. In this lesson we will read and learn about force and its applications. What is meant by force and what its application. Work means what, that we have to discuss. Energy, and energy's uses, that we have to going on discuss. Force. Look at the following picture. Okay, you can see in this boy, in this picture, the boy is pushing the box. You can see. Okay, and the man is pulling the plant. It is a pulling. Okay, the man is pulling the load. It is pulling by the wheels. Okay, the man is pulling the load, and this, the boy is pushing the door. Okay, you can see these activities. Now by these pictures only you can understand what is meant by force. The force definition is exact. Push or pull, it is known as a force. Okay, all these exhibits either a push or a pull. You can push, otherwise you can pull it. Any form of push or pull exhibits force. Any kind of push or pull, it is known as a force. Force is used to move an object. Force is used to move an object. Stop a moving object. Force, it can make a to move the object from one place to another, and it can be become to stop the moving object, change the speed and the direction of the moving object, and change the shape of an object. By the force you can do the to move the object from the one place to another place, you want to force. To stop the object, you require the force. You have to catch hold it, then it will stop. Next one, change the speed and direction. If you want to change the speed and direction, it is required the force. And force can be make the moving object stop. If something, now you know the top is moving. For that, if you want to put the top moving, means also you require the force. And if you want to make that top to stop, means you require the force. You can hold the nicely. And force can change the shape of the object. Now your mom will do the chapatis. Okay, now for the chapatis, the dump will be there, that she will keep, and by the rolling this, she will push on that dump, then it will prepare the chapatis, round shape. Okay, that is known as a force. Types of a force. There are different types of a forces are there. There are many different types of force are there, children. The force excreted by our muscles, means the force is excreted by our muscles, is called as a muscular force. The force is excreted by muscles is called as a muscular force. The force by which earth pulls everything towards it. The force by which earth pulls everything towards it is called as a gravitational force. Now you can see the gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force means what? Whatever from the up it falls, it will come down only, children. You can see, if I am throwing this pencil from up, it will go down only, because the earth is having the gravitational force. Gravitational means what? It is attracting all the things, it will attract. Okay, now you can see the this apple tree is there. From the tree, the apple is falling down. Then the apple will fall on the ground only. It will not be stay in the air, otherwise it will not go up. That is known as a gravitational force, because the earth is pulling towards the earth. The gravity is pulling towards the earth only. That is known as a gravitational force. The force used in a tools is called as a mechanical force. Any kind of machines will be there that will use for the mechanical force. Okay. Now frictional force. Friction is caused when two objects move against each other. Okay. When two objects are moving to each other, you can rub two hands together. You can feel the warmness. It will come due to that is a frictional force, because your two hands are rubbing in opposite direction. That is known as a frictional force. A moving body slows down or stop on its own due to the frictional force. A moving body slows down or stops on its own due to the frictional force. Okay, that is known as a frictional force. I hope today's activity you understood this all. Okay.